What's up, guys? Welcome back to Spider-Man. Why not jump into the DLCs and play through them stories again? Fuck it. But yeah, we're gonna jump into the first DLC that came out on this game was the Black Cat. So yeah, let's jump right into it.
Mary Jane Watson, Associate Editor. Begin research notes. My sources are saying the Mafia is mounting a comeback. The old crime families were all but wiped out, until Fisk went away and they started filling the void. The old Dons were working harmoniously for years, but now that there's a power vacuum, there's bound to be a power struggle. It's only a matter of time before one of the families makes a move on the others. Better follow up with my sources in the Force. Hopefully we can stop this crime comeback before it even starts.
The DLCs were really fun in this game, so why not go through them again? The Black Cat one.
Hey Pete, I'm working on a story you might be interested in.
The Oscorp expose?
New one. It's about the Mafia crime families.
The mom? I thought they went out with swing dancing. Both times.
They were in decline.
We're dealing with the mobs now.
Cosa Nostra is making a comeback.
I love it when you talk dirty.
Easy, Tiger. So you know the feds raided the Mafia last month?
Sure.
Well, one of the Dons had this lost masterpiece painting called the Maria, and now they're displaying it over at Manhattan Mocha.
And?
And I have a source who says one of the families is planning to steal it back. Tonight.
Sounds like there's more to it than just art appreciation. I'll swing by the museum.
Heck yeah. We're dealing with the mobs instead of supervillains. I'm okay with that. Alright, we are pretty close to the art museum, so let's go stop the mob from trying to steal these art pieces. Like the museum is right here.
MJ, looks like your source was right. There's a small army of goons trying to break in. Stay on the line while I take a closer look.
Just be careful. If those guys are Mafia, they play for keeps.
Hurry up, come on.
I got this. We're Spider-Man,
Should have
bro.
been in and out by now.
You want to try? Be my guest.
Sheesh. Some people do anything to avoid paying full price admission.
What about the guards?
They give us any trouble?
He's not messing around, huh? Could be in the game right now.
Boom.
These guys have to learn to appreciate art during business hours.
Yeah, bro. You dirty mobsters. Sit.
Art ain't our thing.
Let's take out this guy.
Valuable and what's crap.
Boom. Come here, dude. Yeah, wasn't expecting to see me, huh?
Spider-Man's been here. What was that?
That time.
Come here, homie. Come here, dude. Yeah.
Sleep it off.
Haha. What's up, dude?
I know some of
Stupid.
these guys. That's Federico Fratelli and Sal Petrillo.
Those guys are part of Hammerhead's crime family, right? Why would he want the Maria? Doesn't seem like his thing.
I'm gonna look around. Make sure no one got in a different way. I'll let you know if I find anything.
Over here?
Hey, what is that?
Oh, right here.
MJ,
Oh no.
someone cut a hole in a skylight. I'm gonna check it out.
Here
So
we
when the
are.
Hammerheads guys were trying to break in the front, someone else slipped in through the roof?
Looks that way. No
Place
sign
is
of
fucking
anyone
huge.
at all. Shouldn't there be guards here at night?
Yeah, maybe check the security booth near the entrance. There should be cameras there too. They would have seen whoever broke in.
It's locked.
The security booth's secure. Need a palm print to get in.
Any clue about what happened to the guards will be inside. Is there a way to override the lock?
Not without a guard's hand.
Actually, their handprint. If you can't find the guards, maybe you can lift prints from the things they touched.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Always happy to lend a hand.
Got a handprint. Well, a part of one. Looks like I'll need more.
A guard got beat up, bro. What the heck?
Weird. It's like the guards just vanished. Now, where can I find some more partial prints?
Flashlight?
A flashlight. I can get a partial.
How do you... Oh. Right there.
Another one. Cool. Trained guards wouldn't leave their stuff around like this. Unless they didn't leave voluntarily.
It's over here. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh shit. Spidey! Be careful! Walkie
There must be
talkie?
a print on here somewhere.
Aha.
Okay.
Found all
should
three.
have enough partials to reconstruct a handprint.
Alright, Spidey, let's open it.
I should be able to reconfigure the scanner so it takes my data. If I
Alright,
bypass the optic sensor, I can upload my own data.
so we need 5. So maybe we go this way, with plus 5. This way, this way, this way. And then a -2. And boom.
Got it. Transmitting handprint now.
Handprint recognized. Access granted. We got in. Oh, damn, bro.
Nice. What do you see?
They're alive. Looks like they were tranquilized. No signs of a struggle. Definitely not Hammerhead style.
They just
So if
sleeping.
not Hammerhead, who? Is there a camera feed?
Let me check.
They just sleeping. They're okay.
Someone switched off camera 5.
Well, that's suspicious.
Let me turn it back on and see what they didn't want anyone looking at. It's pointing at one of the paintings in the exhibit.
That has to be the Maria.
And no one's stolen it yet. I need to see this up close, figure out what's so special about it.
Alright, let's go do it.
The
The
Maria
Maria.
is a brilliant example of modern pastoral impressionism. The saga of its repeated theft and recovery are almost as intriguing as the artwork itself.
Looks like a pretty normal painting to me.
It is. There's way more valuable stuff in that museum. So why is the Mafia so worked up about this painting?
Hang on, MJ. Someone's coming.
Oh shit. Right through the fucking windows. Yeah, run right into it, bro. You know how to drive?
Keep an eye out. Spider-Man could still be here.
Damn it. Got it locked behind security glass. Hey, tell Frank we're gonna need to break out the big guns.
Oh shit. Alright, let's do this.
MJ, Hammerhead's guys called in reinforcements. They haven't spotted me yet.
Good. Try to keep it that way.
What if I want to go in guns blazing? Or fist and feet blazing?
I don't like this. The cops will be here soon.
Fuck it, bro! I don't care! Damn, bitches! Stay there, homie. Boom! Sup, bitches?
Somebody
Literally didn't see that coming.
Cops will be here any minute.
The hell with this. Grab what you can and run.
What?
Great. Now they're looting the other art. Gotta stop them before they make it out.
Where's the...
There's only one way out of here. The way they came in.
Yeah, so we're just gonna stay right here. Sup, bitches? Where's he at? Come on, homie.
There's the exit. You just gotta get out.
They're trying to steal that art.
Bitch!
Next time, try the gift shop.
We can't lose anyone else.
Boom, bitch! What now, homie?
Keep them distracted. I'm almost to the exit.
You ain't nowhere, homie. Hold on, I want to switch my suit power. Not to the Spidey, bro. Do we have... the Spidey, bro? Yeah, we're gonna switch it to the Spidey, bro.
Gonna tear you apart!
Picking us off with these webs.
Almost there.
Come here, homie!
Gotta get to the exit and cut them off.
Oh shit! No! Fuck!
Too bad, loser.
Are you fucking serious?
There's only one way out of here. They
Alright.
came in.
Well, that's embarrassing.
Look out!
Come on, dude. Come on,
Gotta get to the
homie.
exit and cut them off.
Bitch.
Next time, try the gift shop.
Selling this online as soon as I get home.
Ow! Come on, where's the other? Just gonna stay right here.
What the crap? Keep them distracted. I'm almost to the exit now.
Can't let them escape.
You ain't nowhere, homie.
Tear you apart!
This one looks expensive. I'm taking it.
There you go. Where you at, homie? Yeah.
How about as a
Not
consolation
today.
prize, I sent you a poster of that piece for your prison cell.
Spidey, get the fuck off the wall.
What the hell?
Alright, alright. Yeah, stupid. Stupid.
Keep him distracted! I'm almost to the exit!
He's getting away.
Bitch. Up. Up. Up.
Cheer up. Maybe they'll have our
Oh.
in prison.
Ow. Come on, where you at, homie?
There's the exit! You just gotta get out!
They're trying to steal that art.
Come on, homie.
Got him.
Yeah, nice try. Stay right here. Until next guy comes up.
Almost there!
Gotta get to the exit and cut him off.
Yeah, you thought so, punk.
Good taste in art. Or life choices.
Incoming! Keep him distracted! I'm almost to the exit!
He's getting away.
Where you going? There we go. Look.
Peter, you there? You okay?
Yeah, I think I got them all. A lot of art to put back, though.
What about the Maria? This could have all been a distraction.
My thoughts exactly. I'll head back there. Hopefully the glass was thick enough.
Security wall's intact. And bulletproof. Nobody's getting near the Maria anytime soon.
Mission accomplished then?
I hope so.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you right back.
Why? What's going on?
You look good. Been working out?
Oh. I mean, you know, a little.
So, you swinging solo now? Or back with your ex?
It's a lot of questions.
I'm just
Whoa.
curious.
Yeah, I hear that's bad
Sexy.
for cats.
How about you tell me why you're really here?
I was just waiting for the right moment. Look behind you.
Oh shit. Oh, what the hell? Spidey bro! Activate!
Rockets? Who brings rockets to a museum?
Have you not met Hammerhead?
Boom, bitch! Go up against the wall. Get knocked the fuck out. Boom! Get your spine broken. There you go, big boy.
More coming your way, handsome.
Oh, you call me handsome. Why can't you help me? Why the fuck you gotta be in there just hiding? Not like you're not noticeable right now. Take that! Stupid. Oh shit! You know what? You know what? Take that.
Here comes the pain!
Bitch. You know what? See ya. You know what? Fuck you. You know what? You like to use that gun? God damn it. Fuck you. Hope that hurt. Alright, what do I have for you? There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, damn, you got lucky, homie. Get electrified. Bitch.
We can't lose anyone else!
Bitch. Bitch. Yeah, punch yourself in the face, you dirty bird. Oh, what's up, homie? There we go. Alright, Miss Black Cat. The hell you doing?
I like your new tricks.
And I'm tired of your old ones. Weren't you gonna stop stealing art?
Who said I'm here for the art?
Oh,
What
shit.
are you doing?
Think you have lives to save.
Not again.
Hey! Help!
What the? Where'd she go?
Peter, is everything okay?
Sorry, MJ. I just ran into an old friend.
Who?
Trouble.
Monsieur. Alright. New suit available. Heck yeah, that one looks good. We're gonna roll with this one though. For right now. The
So
resentment
Black Cat was
suit,
the one who
if I
went
said
in through
that
the
right.
roof? She was working with Hammerhead's guys?
Yeah. She was probably watching me the whole time I was in there.
Just tell me you didn't let her get away with the Maria.
She didn't.
Good.
She smashed it and stole a data drive hidden in the frame.
What?
Sorry. So, what do you think was on that drive?
Good question. I'll start asking around.
And I guess I'll start following cat prints.
Yeah, where we going?
All units, we have reports of an explosion in the vicinity of Times Square and Bryant.
Explosion. Better check it out.
Alright, let's go check out this explosion. Here we are. Explosion.
Looks like another car bomb. Which family set it up this time? Hammerhead again?
Probably. Might be more nearby. Better call in the bomb squad.
Bombs under things? Time to go small.
Launch Spider Bot. The Spider Bot.
Time to find those other bombs.
Well, here is one of them.
Disarmed. Need to find the others.
This way. Oh, I see it right there.
This one's disabled. Time to find the rest.
So let's go this way. Let's not get run over. Go this way. I hear it. There it is.
Should look for the blinking lights on the bomb triggers. Got it. Now for the last one.
It's sick. Right here.
Just in time.
Boom.
Hammerhead's on a
Crime
mission.
token.
Better
Planet
keep a lookout
car
for more of
bombs.
these around the city.
Alright.
There's nothing to see right now. Hey, keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Hello?
Spider-Man, this is Detective Mackey. I got your number from a friend in the force.
I bet I know which friend. What can I do you for, Detective?
Probably better if we spoke in person. Can you stop by the Greenwich precinct when you get a chance?
New York.
I hear you like meeting on rooftops.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
See you in a few. This'll keep me busy while I wait to hear from MJ. That museum heist was crazy. It's not Black Cat's style to work with guys like Hammerhead. Hope MJ can find out the story behind that data drive.
Alright. Let's go see Detective Mackey.
As you've probably heard, Spider-Man stopped the crime boss Hammerhead's thugs from robbing the Museum of Contemporary Art. Good for him, right? Wrong! They nearly demolished the place and everything in it! They were shooting rocket launchers indoors! See, even if you assume good intentions, which I do not, this is the problem with Spider-Man. He escalates every situation into an apocalyptic disaster. What good is it to save the art from being stolen if you blow it up? Now, I realize this is pretentious.
Goddamn, bro.
Detective Mackey, I presume?
Thanks for coming.
Sup,
I
officer?
want to talk to you about the Black Cat.
I plead the fifth.
Not the new cat, the old one, 20 years ago. I worked the case.
I plead the fifth.
Black Cat is a copycat? Huh. What happened to the original?
He died in prison, but we never found all the paintings he stole. I've got a new lead. The department doesn't want to waste resources on an old case.
Wasting resources is kind of my specialty.
Great. Head to this location. I'll fill you in on the way.
Alright, detective. I got you.
I appreciate your help. I'm retiring soon, and this case is my biggest loose end. So I went through the files to give it one last shot. The old cat preferred to steal art. But right before he got busted, he hit a smoke detector factory.
Smoke detectors? That's random.
Not really. He stole the Americium-241 inside him. We thought he had a buyer for the radioisotopes, but I was watching a movie the other night and saw something that gave me an idea. What if he tagged the paintings he stole with those isotopes in order to help him find them once he got out?
What movie were you watching? Wait, don't tell me. Spoilers.
So I was thinking, if we track the isotope, we could find the stolen paintings.
I have a scintillation counter in my suit that should do it. I'll call you if I find anything.
Thanks, Spider-Man. If I can close the books on this one, I can retire in peace.
I got you, officer. So we're going up to that building right there.
I think I'm close to one of those stolen paintings. The signal's coming from this power box, but I'm not detecting an art storage tube.
Freedom.
Detective, I found a stolen painting. It was hidden in a fake power box.
Yes, I knew it. Leave it there. I'll have someone pick it up. In the meantime, I'll send you some other locations we know Hardy frequented.
Sounds good. Wait, did you say Hardy?
Yeah, the original cat's name was Walter Hardy. I'll pull his files and have more details next time we talk.
Alright, we can find these paintings around the city.
Walter Hardy, the original Black Cat. Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat that I know. This appears to be a family business.
That's funny.
Peter, the police scanner just reported an active shootout around Hudson and North Moore.
Isn't that area controlled by the Mafia?
Yeah.
All right.
The Black Cat stole. It might have just triggered a gang war.
Well, I'm on my way to check it out. Any other updates on the museum heist?
So here's what I got. Nobody knows what was on that drive in the Maria painting. But word is, Hammerhead now has the drive, and the Mafia families are freaked out about it.
Must have been pretty valuable if it made a notorious art thief ignore art.
Wonder why she's working for Hammerhead. She usually flies solo.
Who knows? I stopped trying to figure out Felicia a long time ago.
Felicia, huh? You guys on a first-name basis now?
Well, I mean, I guess, maybe.
Well, let's just keep each other in the loop, okay?
Don't worry, MJ. I'm not gonna leave you for her. You're my sweet MJ, bro. Black Cat is a little bit too crazy for me. Alright, we're almost to this active shootout over here between two mob families. Dealing with this crazy ass mobsters now. Alright, you mobsters. Oh shit.
You're not being subtle. Time to shut this down before someone gets killed.
What's up, homies? Oh, adios. Boom!
Got them all.
Boom.
Delivery truck. Hope it's those new slippers I ordered.
Oh, what the fuck? A minigun.
My slippers did not look like that online. I refuse to sign for this package. Oh boy, gang's all here.
What the fuck? There we go. Stay there, bitch. Up against the wall. God damn, bro. Oh fuck, dude, he pointed that shit right at me. Damn minigun fucker.
Did I get everyone?
Huh. That dude was cracked out, homie.
Alright, I give up. You know I get time off if I talk.
You won't if you don't.
Oh, the white-haired chick. She told us to come down here and make some noise.
Sucker bait. And I'm the sucker. Where'd you meet her?
The bodega on Waverly.
Oh shit!
MJ, the whole shootout was a distraction. Black Cat set it up to draw police away from Waverly Street.
One of the other Mafia families has a front on Waverly.
Oh shit!
It's Rose, I think.
Maybe I can still catch her. Felicia takes her time. She's nothing if not methodical.
Is she now?
I'll keep you posted.
Alright, Black Cat.
There's the bodega.
You ass.
Alright, Felicia, where are you?
Felicia. She up here?
There's her stakeout gear. What were you looking at, Felicia?
Ah.
Gotcha.
Oh shit.
Oh. Hey, Spider.
Felicia, the Magi are no joke. You shouldn't be playing with them.
Oh, but I like to play.
Spider-Man! He's working with the cat! Get him!
I ain't working with no one. Oh, why all of y'all got miniguns?
Sure do jump to quick conclusions.
God damn, bro.
I'm not working for Hammerhead or any other crime family. I'm just wrong place, wrong time.
Yo, big, bro, he just hit him with a super kick.
Well, that was fun. Now where's Felicia?
Felicia!
I like watching you. Reminds me of old times.
What's on that drive?
Not entirely sure, to be honest.
Then why are you stealing it?
If I don't, they'll kill my son.
She got a son.
Your son? Damn it. Felicia has a son? Can't be. I mean, it could be, and I could be. No. I'm not gonna think about that right now. MJ, I found the cat, but she got away.
Really? How methodical of her.
She stole another data drive.
So each family has a drive. I wonder what's on them. Did you learn anything else?
Well, not much.
Okay. Sounds like she's helping Hammerhead make a power play on the other crime families.
Which could end badly for everyone.
The last thing the city needs is a gang war. I'll let you know if I turn up any info on those drives.
Alright. Where to now?
What's up, SM?
Screwball!
#1 fan!
Wait a minute. Screwball? Don't tell me you're out of jail.
I sure am! And I brought some of my fans with me. Oh, aren't they just the cutest?
Prisoners.
They're helping me set up for my new show. In fact, I'd love for you to swing by. TTYL!
Something tells me those guys weren't released for good behavior. Better get over there and check it out.
Screwball, that psycho bitch. Alright, let's head over
the
there.
Stolen paintings should be around here somewhere.
All units advised. Mafia involvement suspected in an active bomb situation. Reported location is Murray Hill.
If you followed my career, and of course you have, you know I notched my first big file on a...
Alright.
Time to put Screwball's fans back behind bars where they belong.
What's up, prisoners? You
Guys,
you remember me?
but working with someone named Screwball was not the best idea.
Yeah, Spidey. Hey, you're not supposed to hit me, Spidey drones. What's up, you dirty convict? Adios, homie.
One thing hasn't changed. Screwball's getting others to do her dirty work. What are they setting up anyway?
Spider-Man! Isn't that exciting? Perfect way to kick off my brand new show, starring you!
Sorry, my dance card's full.
Pretty sure you'll make time for this, because if you don't, my fans will get angry and people will die. I just love reality shows, don't you?
Some people do anything for clicks.
cherishing every
Find
moment.
screwballs
So
challenges
enjoy
around the
love.
city. Complete challenges to earn challenge tokens. Alright. So we have a skill point. Do a long strike. Why not? Alright. We won't do that quite yet. But those are some challenges we can do.
Hey, Peter. I might have found Black Cat's next target.
Really? How?
Because according to police dispatch, there was just a burglary matching her MO. I'm sending you the location. Hey, if you find her, don't let her play you again.
Yeah, I'll be on guard. She's... I don't know. She just seems to bring bad luck wherever she goes.
Black Cat brings bad luck? That's a little on the nose, Pete.
Alright, let's go over here and get Black Cat. Alright. Black Cat is over here. What are you up to, Felicia?
What have you done this time? Cops have blocked off the whole street. If I can pick up the cat's trail, maybe I can catch up to her. Looks like the security guard was hurt. Maybe the EMT can tell me what happened.
What happened here?
What happened here?
Spider-Man, I heard someone stole a rare book or something.
Is the guard gonna be okay?
Pretty bad case of photokeratitis. Basically a flash burn of his corneas, but he'll recover.
I
Alright.
need to check the alley. If Felicia did this, I've got to find her. Antique book. Looks like it's volume 2 of a set. Where's volume 1? There's a high-end pawn shop owned by the Macho family around here. Felicia already took 2 data drives from other families. Did she just take a third? There have to be more clues around here.
What is this?
Magnesium flare. Probably what burned that guard's eyes. If I analyze the residue, I can track her.
Alright, let's do this. So... Let's do this one, then this. No. Let's do that one. And this one. Let's do these 4. And this one. Oh! Substance identified.
There's the trail. Let's see where it leads. Having a hard time focusing. I can't be a dad. I mean, technically I can be, but... I need to tell MJ. She'll know what to do. But how am I gonna tell her? I should do it in person. No, if I do it in person, it'll seem like it's a definite thing. When it is not. It looks like a member of the Macho crime family.
Spider-Man KO'd Vito! Take him out!
Oh, the
And
fuck?
here come some of his brothers.
Spidey drone!
Acting exactly like this?
Cicero's were right! Spider-Man's working for Hammerhead!
Like I told the Cicero guys, I do not work for Hammerhead. And I'm kind of...
Boom! The Spidey drone. Spidey bro is so overpowered. Yeah, you dummies. I don't work for no mob. I'm Spider-Man.
Those look like Hammerhead's guys.
Oh shit.
MJ, sending you a pic of a plate I need you to run.
Got it. I'll let you know what I find.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
hell. Where's the drive?
She said she wanted to deliver it to Hammerhead personally.
Didn't I tell you to get the drive?
Yeah, but she gave the other ones to him, so I just figured...
So I tell you to do something, and you don't do it! Now, you know what happens next.
Wait!
Oh shit!
Wait! 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 Wait!
Hey, don't act so surprised. You said you knew what happened next.
Bitches!
You're going down.
Bitch! Oh, damn!
You better run.
What the fuck? Boom, boom! Adios, homie! Alright, you bitches. Piece of cake, you dirty thugs.
Great. Here, fellas. It's probably overdue.
Alright, where to now?
MJ, the cat got another data drive.
Just one more and Hammerhead has the drives from all the other Mafia families. We gotta figure out what's on those drives.
And there's something else. There's this thing. Probably not a big thing, but it could be a thing. A little, maybe a big thing.
Please say a sentence that doesn't include the word thing.
Okay. The reason Felicia's working for Hammerhead is because he took her son.
Huh. I didn't know she had a son. Well, certainly sounds like something Hammerhead would do.
There's this, other thing. You know that she and I, dated for a while.
Yeah, so? Oh. Oh, are you serious?
I mean, I don't know for sure, but it's possible.
Ew. Ugh.
Oh shit.
I need to hang up now.
Wow, Peter.
Okay then. She'll call back when she's cooled off. Right? I think I'll go on patrol for a while. Try to clear my head.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, all that fun shit. I'll see y'all on the next one.